George Siegel is an American sculptor who creates life-sized plaster figures in poses taken from everyday experiences. Siegel began his direct casting technique around 1960, using his friends and family as models. His sculptures realistically represent activities and moments normally taken for granted, and draw attention to these daily activities through isolation and lack of normal human association. His goal is to explore how people relate to the things around them. To create his figures, Siegel wraps real people who have assumed the poses he desires in strips of cloth and then applies plaster. After the plaster sets, he cuts the form to allow the real person to ease out. Siegel then repairs the hollow form and works on it further to achieve the effects he wants. He also introduces actual objects into his works, including sound and lighting effects. By use of this method, Siegel captures gesture, attitude, and movement in his figures, suggesting the difficulty of any human communication. The frozen quality evokes feelings of solitude, alienation, and isolation, the isolation being increased by the pasty white appearance of his figures and their zombie-like look. Even though the settings seem familiar and specific, the impression is one of generalized, ghostly presences, each figure frozen and cut off from emotional connection with the outside world.